I think Lady's gonna need a... Lady, you are so weird. You can't growl and kiss at the same time.
Ooh, she's getting into his ear.
Ooh.
Good for you, pal.
Well, she gets into other places, but he doesn't like that. Beamer looks scared.
Dude, it's your paw. She's not happy about your paw.
You're touching her, Beamer. Try kissing her. It might make her feel better. Why don't you two kiss and make up? Come on, kiss and make up. 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 He looks so terrified. I want to kiss you, lady. She's not in the mood, Daddy. Stop it. You're gonna get me killed. I want to kiss you. You're pretty. Can I kiss you?
Come on, buddy. Go get her. Just go in for the kiss. She's waiting for you to pick up and be the man. Beamer.
Kiss. Kiss. No! I don't think he can open his eyes wider.
Hey.
I guess Lady's done.